What's up, YouTube? Welcome to a video. You're gonna know from the title what we're doing already, but we here on stream are about to find out live here. We're letting fate decide with my beautiful Chessex. What is the name of this? Yes, the festive pop art with blue dice. These are my favorite Chessex dice. I've got the big D6, I've got the small D6, and I've got the polyhedral set as well, although I am missing one of those. But that is neither hither nor thither. We're gonna roll. Oh boy, I guess I better assign numbers to these. Okay, they're gonna be in the order that I presented them. So, for those of you watching on YouTube, that is number 1, the 4x4 Off-Road Ambulance Rescue. Number 2, the Icons Moving Truck. Number 3 will be Ray the Castaway. Number 4 will be the Flower Pot. Very simple title. Number 5 will be the Forest Hideout for the Castle system. This is a 90 Years of Play set. And number 6 will be the Blacktron Cruiser. So, without any further ado, let's roll. 5. All right, Forest Hideout. Cool. We do enjoy the castle stuff. So let's check it out here. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do my careful scissor opening on this set, because I have a feeling this set is going to be valuable in a couple of years, and I'm not above selling a set if it gets up to a silly price for no reason. So we'll probably hold on to the box for this one, especially since it just had the, these flaps. It makes it so easy to get it open here. Alright, so this is a pretty bulky and full box here for, wow, there's even for a gift with purchase. Not a lot of wasted space in the box here. We've got our instructions here. So let's see. Bag 1. Okay, so it's 2 bags in each step. So step 1. Get some of this opened up and organized here. All right. Probably share one tray for these 2 bags. Okay, so bag number 1, let's check it out. We've got both of our minifigures ready to get built here, so let's see. I think the torso pieces are the same. Interchangeable, yes, it looks like it. So let's grab Mr. Archer here first. And I say Forest Men because that was the historic name of this faction of the castle forces. Oops, I forgot to give him his quiver. Oh no. He'll surely perish in combat without that. Only one arrow? That's not enough. Yeah, so that was the name of these guys, and the group here is kind of inspired by a Robin Hood type of vibe, you know. But it's not really accurate to call them forest men exclusively anymore, because we've got a nice female presenting minifigure here, which is really cool. I like that as they've revisited this classic castle scene, they've shifted away from the solitary maiden as the only you know, female presenting character. We've got in the medieval blacksmith, we've got a knight there, and the recent falconer in the collectible mini-series also. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I like you know, I like seeing that representation. I think it's important for everyone to be able to see themselves in fantastical stories. And granted, these classic Lego themes are not exactly stories, but it is just nonetheless cool. I'd say it's a good thing to have more representation and diversity among the different characters here. So I've been pretty excited about those changes. Alright, what do we got? We got a little target stand here so our archer can practice his shot. Here's the back of it. Okay, so that can stand up on its own like that. Alright, there you go, buddy. You fire away. You start warming up there while we build your guys' fortress here. This is going to be so cool. When I was a kid, I was always so jealous of the super big castle sets. I never had any of the super big Lego sets when I was a kid. We did get, you know, my brother and I both loved Lego, so we got sets like, you know, for Christmas and birthdays very often. So over the years, we ended up with quite a few, definitely. But my parents are pretty thrifty on their spending, so they didn't like to buy the super big sets, which I can respect. They're, you know, there are a lot of merits to being careful about what you spend your money on, certainly. But these huge castle sets, all the classic 90s ones with the base plates that had like the hills and like the, you know, rock formations kind of like built into them, they were all so cool. I had friends that had those, and, you know, they would then build their own castles, you know, on those included base plates, and oh man, they were able to get such cool stuff going. The recent Lion's Knight castle is definitely still on my wish list, although it's going to be out of my price range for quite a while. I just had to get some repairs done on my car, but you know, priorities, man. Priorities are important. Alright, so we got some studs not on top pieces going here. Definitely different already from the old building techniques. Although I think this set is going to end up having the look of like a classic 90s set. There's just maybe going to be a little bit more nuance to the build just in terms of giving it some more structural oh no, I just realized I never updated my stupid picture here. Okay, there you go. 4, 0, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, see, this set is already going for $45 on eBay, so yeah, I'm definitely saving the box on this one. I'm still gonna build it. I mean, it probably would be worth more in a few years if I just never opened it, but come on, it's too cool. It's too cool here. Alright. Let's get an image pulled here. Maybe not this one. This has a watermark for a website. That's probably not really legal. Alright, we'll just do the box picture. That's fine. Or will we? It's not wanting to let me for some reason. That's got a word mark too. Oh, this is a weirdly difficult set to get a good picture for here. When in doubt, Lego website. Why? Gozer, don't you jump up there. There's too much stuff up there. Save image. Okay. Swap this out real quick. Gozer, you don't need to be up there, really. There's so many other places for you to sit in this world. Okay. This set, of course, is the 40567 Forest Hideout. You know how to spell. You know how to type. Okay. Got that right there. Okay, there we go. Forest Hideout. Back at it. Okay, we're in the pocket. Kitty. He sure does know the places to sit that I will not let him. And therefore, I will pay attention to him to remove him from stuff. Right? Is that what you're doing? You little stinker? You're so sharp. You're so long and so sharp. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Alright, I'm paying attention to you, boy. Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. Alright, back to the castle here. More stud knot on top pieces. What's gonna end up going there, I wonder? we've got some more studs dropping out to the side. And some more foundations of our tower getting laid into place here. Let's see here. A couple of assemblages like so. Oh, okay, interesting. So these are what these studs not on top pieces are for. Just using that to create some shapes here, more than any really complex build techniques. We're just going to slide those right on. Okay. Gotta be careful. This is just held in place by one hinge so far, so it is pretty delicate right now. Don't want to accidentally break anything here if we can help it. Okay, 5 of these half circles placed on top of each other, right? 5? No, not 5, 4. It's all double checking stuff is always good, eh? Let's see. Another one of these. Top. I like the number of just 1 by 1 bricks that are used in this set. It's like very classic Lego, you know. It is very evocative of the era that it's throwback to. All right, even like pieces like this, you know, really crucial to early Lego design. Okay. Got this wood texture piece, which was not in production until the Wild West sets, so, but it definitely does fit nicely with the look here. Kitty, back for more trouble? I'll give you some pets if you try not to terrorize me. Alright, some L brackets. We'll get these super tall wall structures a little more support. We've got this. This is a nice classic like tower top where there will be like some crenellation. Yeah, I have multiple old pieces of the like tower toppers. Pretty cool ones. All right, let's see, get a little bit of vegetation here because of course the Forest Hideout is going to be a nice little stealthy, hidden in the vegetation look to it. Try to line up our blocks here so everything's oriented on the grid as it should be. So, yeah, right here. Then we have another wall piece right here. Yep. Okay. Got these round arch coming out of them. Like that. The half round coming in helpful again. This is a newer element as well, of course. One more. Oh yeah, there you are. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got an arch extending out of it here. That's going to go right here. And then an arch for the other side here. Interesting that there's a gap in the wall here. I wonder if that's going to be like, what that's going to be for. Am I missing a piece? Oh no, I might be missing a piece. Huh. Interesting. Check the bags. No, I don't see one. Shoot. Well, that's unfortunate. Lego. I'd gone so long without having a missing piece, and now 2 in a month. Still haven't made my support ticket for that whip piece. Okay, well, the good news is it's a very simple element, so I'm just going to go retrieve one from my extra pieces in the basement. Just give me 1 second to grab that. Hopefully I can find a nice, shiny, new looking one there. Okay, well, not the shiniest here, but let's see. Yeah, looks a little out of place. All the little minor abrasions from years of me playing with it in my driveway. But that's all right. It'll do. It'll do. I didn't want to take a bunch of time to look for one, but I might ask for a replacement piece when I submit a ticket for that A-frame cabin, because yeah, I just like, I don't see anywhere. I mean, I'm looking for a build error because that's the most common reason. But I don't see anything. I guess we'll see at the end if we have any leftover pieces that would fit somewhere on a 1x1. Okay, anyway, got this big platform on here. Okay, nice and solidly into place. Now we can get another hinge at the top here. That'll make this whole operation a little bit more secure. We've got our brick texture pieces. Definitely did not exist in the 90s. Okay. We've got this little tentacle piece is going to be like a branch of the tree here, because yeah, I think this whole thing is supposed to be carved out of a tree basically. I mean, the black pieces is just, were the colors at the time. Brown, nice brown ladder here, classic ladder piece. Leads up to the little archer's lookout here. And then we've got some nice foliage to put into place here. A little cluster of yellow flowers here. Gonna go right by this gap. And a little mushroom here. This is the same like color combo as the mushrooms in the A-frame cabin set. We've got a spear mounted up on the wall here. Extra armaments able to be grabbed if the area is threatened. Oop, I definitely missed something. Where do these go? Okay, right here. Building up the little parapet walls here so the archer can have some cover as he defends. Well, yeah, none of these extra pieces are really of the size that would suggest that there's a 1x1 brick in place of where one was supposed to go, so yeah, I don't know. I think we're just missing a piece. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Well, pressing on, bag number 2. Maybe there'll be an extra one in one of these bags. Probably not, but unlikely things like happen all the time, so who knows. Trays here. Okay, nice. Everything all laid out here. Oops. Almost dropped something there. Okay, there we go. Well, there's some more black 1x1s, so again, there probably won't be any extra, but keep the hope alive for now. Of course, I'll have to take apart a sizable chunk of this tree to access where I put that other one if we did end up with an extra one. But we can always do it. I can always clean that up off stream. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I could just push ahead to the next project here. Okay. L brackets, like so. More stone texture pieces here. Along with 1x1 black. And a wood texture, a log texture, I guess I should say. Okay, we've got these stud not on top pieces hiding out here. Huh. Oh, they're gray, not black. Okay, yep, they're right here. Great. We know what we're doing. And the shields, where are the shields? Aha, shields are brown on the back. Okay, so both times I was looking for the wrong color. Not very helpful. Classic. Hey, what's up, Airwolf? How are you doing tonight? Welcome to the stream. We're working on our Forest Hideout here. Finished up that Star Wars set a little bit ago. And yeah, we're going to do one more of these small gift with purchase projects after we wrap this up here. Yeah, good. Did you oh, that's not where that goes. Did you have your interview yet? I can't remember if that was this week or if it's going to be this upcoming week. I hope that if you did have it already, that everything went smoothly for you. Let's see here. Okay, we got another hinge. Yeah, yesterday? Cool. That's cool. I hope it went well for you. I know you were a little apprehensive about that, which totally makes sense. Job interviews are always a little stressful, no matter how prepared you are. Build these up a little more here. Our little woodland fortress here. Some archways over the top of these parapet windows. Yeah, that makes sense. I feel like office job and technical position interviews tend to be a little more like that, where they actually like make you wait to hear it out. When I interview people, I usually just, if I'm going to bring them on, I just ask when they can come in. But restaurant work is a little different. But hopefully they give you a call here soon. I hope you felt good about the interview and everything. And, you know, we talked about it last week too, but any interview is a good interview because it's giving you experience and confidence for the next interview. You think not the job you're looking? Well, you know, I guess you'll have to wait and see. But even if it's a different position, it might be something that you like more than your current spot, or at least ooh, got some nice gold coins to drop in our barrel here. But yeah, hopefully they'll offer you something, either more fun or more money, or both. But, you know, both might, you know, more money and more fun is definitely hard to come by sometimes, but alright. Well, that was all of the one by one. Yeah, I hope both too. I mean, you know, like I said, it's always good. It's always good experience either way. So, you know, you'll never you know you never get a better job if you just stay. You know, you have to interview. Like, not every interview's gonna be the one, but you'll find something. You'll find something that's better for you soon, I'm sure. All right, we got some more. Yeah, that would be a game changer for sure. I live so close to where I work, and it's really, really nice. Definitely. That would be a lot closer, right? You said your current job is quite a bit more of a commute than that, if I recall correctly. All right, this is coming together here. Nice. Got our barrel full of gold coins that we've taken from, hopefully, unjust folks. Like I said earlier, this is kind of a Robin Hood style vibe, so hopefully it's taken from a meanie and given to those in need. Okay, we got 3x1s here. Wood texture. And then we got the stone one. Texture, stone one, texture. Okay, very cool. And then build something up over here. Get our next archway into position here. Get that going. Yeah, I live close enough to where I work. I should really be biking to work sometimes. That's my roommate has been biking to work a lot since it started getting warmer out here. He's been very diligent about doing it, and he lives, or he works about the same distance from here that I do. I work a lot of mornings, and it would mean getting up earlier, which I am loath to do. I hate waking up in the morning. But it would be good to be riding my bike more often, and that would be a good excuse to do it. So I should probably try to start doing that, you know, if not regularly, I should at least do it, you know, once a week or once every couple of weeks or something like that. Try to build those good habits. Oh yeah, look at that. That's so cool. That blue really pops on the roof here. It looks really good. And then we got some more foliage to build in here. So yeah, this is going to be, this leaf pops onto the tentacle piece. Classic tree here. Love all of these classic Lego pieces. Like these tree pieces I have not seen in any of the sets I've been doing since I got back into it. And look at this, handlebars. Handlebars is going to be the branches for our foliage here. That's cool. That's really cool. Let's see here. 2x. Alright. So let's do it. Double up all of these steps as we go here. I love that these they made the switch over so that these plant pieces are made out of the biodegradable plastic. I like that they are at least take some steps towards making stuff more sustainable. They said they're going to be switching to the paper bags for pieces instead of the plastic bags, so they are a company that manufactures plastic toys, so there's only so much they can do to be ecologically friendly, but it's nice that it's at least, you know, they are somewhat conscientious of that kind of stuff. Okay, so all these little hoops that we've left exposed are going to have branches hanging off of them here. Got a couple of little mini ones where it just goes to the center hole here. Those are going to go right here. And right here. Cool. Definitely doesn't look as filled out as some of the other nature-based sets that we've done. It's got that very old school feel to it. All right, so this Technic T pin lets this chunk piece slot right there. We've got our classic Lego flag here. Another classic 90s piece. They really did a good job of integrating a lot of the old school pieces here. I noticed this rod piece is no longer domed at the top as the end of the rod used to be domed. Alright. So one more branch section to build out, and this one's going to be a little more complicated looking than those other ones, but not by a ton. Slot right into here. We've got our bicycle handlebars section again. Two of these to line up like that. Okay. Well, I've got a few of my gift with purchases handy here. You can tell me if any of these catch your eye. We'll certainly get around to all of them eventually, but we're probably just gonna have time for one more today. That doesn't look right. Are they supposed to be? No, I don't think so. Maybe that is right. What would it look like if I move this? Yeah, whatever. We like it like this. It looks cool. Don't need to fuss with it too much. Cool. Alright, so there we go. Got the cool, you can have it closed, so it's nice, you know, really filled out tree here, or you open it up, be cool. You know, a lot of the classic Lego sets opened up like this, they, you know, are a play set. The gap in the tree here is the entryway here. Nice, like, hidden door. You can not hardly see it in the black wood of the tree. And yeah, I've got a nice little base here on which to have our minifigures stand. Cool. Alright, so that is the Forest Hideout. And pretty sweet. So that's 2 builds completed in one day. Alright. Alright, so got like half an hour left here, so I should probably do one of these smaller ones. Which one has fewer pieces? Probably should do one of these since they're a little smaller, and I'm gonna want to wrap up here before too much longer. But we can build either the off-road ambulance rescue or Ray the Castaway here. I'm kind of leaning towards the ambulance rescue just because this Ray set I think is really cool, and this Forest Hideout was kind of one that I've been waiting for a long time, so I'm gonna want to space out my really cool ones. With the car? Okay, cool. So we're in agreement then. We'll do this guy right now, and then yeah, next week next week is my birthday, and I'm not gonna be streaming. But the week after that, actually, let me double check here. Yeah. Yeah, nothing going on the week after that, so we'll be back at it. This one is different than the actual set? Or the Forest Hideout? Oh, I never killed my YouTube video. Hey, alright. Yo. Hey, if you've been watching on YouTube, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the Forest Hideout build. And yeah, we'll see you for the next video here. Spoiler alert, it's going to be the off-road ambulance rescue. Bye!